Okay, finally I get to try cooking pizza on my Weber Kettle. I don't have the fancy pizza stone or the ring for the Weber Kettle. All I have is this right here, 10-inch cast iron frying pan. So, gonna use it. We're gonna see how it goes. Stay tuned. You'll want to see what happens. Welcome to The Real Dad. I'm Jeff King, and if this is your first time here, thanks for checking me out. I hope I can earn a subscribe from you because I would appreciate the support. If you're returning, welcome back. This is my pizza episode. I've been wanting to make a pizza on a barbecue for a while. Haven't got around to it. I've got beautiful weather tonight. I've got charcoal just about ready. I won't bore you with making a pizza dough. It's already in the house. It's ready to go. What I am going to do first, though, is I'm going to just fry up some of that bacon that I made in my other video, making bacon, and because I'm gonna just chop it up and it's gonna go on the pizza as well. So I'm gonna get my charcoal ready here, eating some smoke. I'm gonna put it in my basket right in the center. This is just Royal Oak hardwood lump. I'm actually getting down to my my last little bit here. I'm gonna have to go and get another bag. Hopefully with this COVID-19 I'll be able to do that no problem, because if not, I guess we're gonna be burning wood. So that's in the middle. I'm gonna get my glove on and move those baskets over a bit. From what I understand, this is my first time, so from what I understand, I'm gonna need about between 400 425 degrees. I should be able to get that with just this little bit, these two baskets. I'm gonna put it right in the middle. I really should get some proper barbecue gloves because that was hot. I'm gonna throw my grill on. Wow, it was really hot actually. I'm gonna get the skillet. And there's that bacon that I made in my making bacon video. I'm gonna throw it in. We're gonna fry it up. Once that's done, then I'll leave a little bit of that bacon grease in the skillet, which you want anyways when you put the pizza dough in. So this is gonna be perfect, a little bit of bacon flavor. And guys, when I get the dough out here and ready to go, I'll be right back. All right, so I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing. Like you, I watched a YouTube video on how to make pizza on a Weber barbecue. So I've got the dough made. I have my bacon cooked. That grease from the bacon, there's a little bit left in the cast iron skillet. So I'm going to get my dough stretched out. I'm gonna put it in the skillet and we're gonna have at it. So hang in with me. We might even be able to make a pizza, hopefully. All right, let's go. Okay, let's have some fun here. Wow, that dough, that rose really good. Okay. It's also my first time making dough. Let's see how this works. Pretty sticky. I should have some flour, probably, but I don't. I'm very limited. My outdoor kitchen, it's not adequate. So we're gonna just knead this up a little bit. Now, this recipe made enough for 2 8-inch thick crusts or 2 9-inch thin crusts. I have a 10-inch skillet here, so we're just gonna wing it with the whole thing. Let's see what happens. So let's, without getting it on my plate down there, we're just gonna make this a little bigger. All right, well, we're gonna throw her down. If any of you have ever worked in a pizza shop, I apologize. I really do. I'm trying. We're gonna see what happens. I believe no matter what, it's got bacon on it, so it's gonna be delicious one way or another. Whoops. Okay, so we kind of have the dough. Oh, I suck. All right. We're going to put it in here. We're going to put it in our pan. I'm going to work it around. I'm going to... I got that bacon grease in the bottom. We're just going to give this a bit of a lip. Okay, it's kind of looking pretty good here. Okay, next we're gonna put a little bit of, I got canola oil just around the edges. It'll brown it up a lot nicer. It's gonna look fantastic. So hopefully it tastes the same. Put a little bit on my brush here and just brush it on around the edges. That's all you gotta do. Pizza sauce. We're just gonna gob it on there. Don't be skimpy. You know you like it. Spread that around. You guys, use the good stuff. Okay, so next, our mozzarella. I just did a whole brick here. It was a small brick. I've been ordering online with this COVID-19 stuff, so I don't know what year you're watching this video, but do you remember that shit? Well, anyway, here we go. Okay, I'm gonna save just a little bit more because I like to put a bit on top. Pepperoni, already pre-sliced. Local, it's good. We've usually keep a pack or two of this in our freezer. See if I can open it here. Guys, that homemade bacon in my making bacon video. Here we go. We're gonna put all of it on. And finally, guys, our vegetables. That's just yellow sweet pepper and some onion that's been kind of cooked up on a frying pan first just to soften it up. And throw some of that on. Okay, guys, our last step, that remaining mozzarella, I'm just going to sprinkle it on top because this is going to be a fully loaded pizza, and that cheese is probably going to help just hold things in place. Okay, so that's what we have. Wish me luck. It's going on the barbecue. All right. So I have to offset just a little bit to keep the handle going in. But anyway, it is in. And we're going to see what happens. I don't know how long it's going to take. Hopefully not too long. It's getting late in the day. Anyway, I'll check back in with you when we're ready. Wow. A little bit of steam on the lens here. There we go. There's our pizza. It's looking cooked on the bottom. Not burnt, but cooked. Oops, my toppings are, I'm just gonna, like I said, guys, this is my first time. Everything's looking great. This is gonna be delicious. As you might notice, I'm in my house now. What happened was, I believe, I made that pizza dough just a little too thick. The bottom was cooked, borderline starting to burn. I prefer to call it toasted. So I've got the pizza in my oven, electric oven, I know, right? But whatever, it's in there. I've got it on broil because I need to cook the top a lot more than the bottom. So this is what's going on now. I think I'll be able to pull this off. So what I've learned, like I said, this is my first time. What I've learned is that probably if I'm gonna do something that thick, I'm gonna do it at a lower temperature on my Weber next time. It's kind of hard to do as well because you don't have a lot of room to offset that pizza from the heat source. So maybe I could try it on my Napoleon barbecue, which has a lot more surface space and runs on propane. but I really wanted to try it on my Weber Kettle, so with charcoal. So anyways, I'm gonna just finish this off in the oven in the house, and I still think it's gonna be good. Going forward, definitely either a thinner pizza or less heat. So let's see what happens. A few minutes under the broiler, this is what we have. I think it's cooked. I believe so. I have this. Now, let's cut through and see. This, I would definitely say deep dish, would you say? Yeah, I think deep dish. All right, so, oh boy, that's like a loaf of bread right there. She's crispy, gooey good. All right, here we go. And good news is we are cooked through. That is cooked. We just have a lot of goodness in there. For the most part, the pizza was a success. What I probably would do next time is less heat. The crust was really thick. It was cooked all the way through. A little too much toasted on the bottom, according to my wife. I thought it was fine. A thinner crust, probably a little less heat, would work fine. Maybe a bigger cooking surface. Maybe if I actually get a pizza stone. However, if you want to do it in the cast iron pan like I did, go for it, because I think it worked fine. Get that pizza cooking on your Weber. Just give it. You don't learn how to do it until you do it. I hope you at least got something out of this video. If you did, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. Subscribe. I'd even appreciate that more. I'm gonna have some more videos for you to watch over here. Check them out. YouTube's gonna suggest what you might like. Give me a subscribe over here. Click that logo. Until next time, guys, keep barbecuing and enjoy this beautiful weather.